Okay, hi. Sorry, this is late. I had made another, like a full lesson with like these videos embedded, and then I was like talking with the videos. And then YouTube says too much embedded content, blocked. So anyway, you probably would have been fine just like writing down the information, the questions, and then watching the video, but I'm explaining that again here. So basically, last time what we did was we talked about the pillars of democracy, just as a little brief introduction. We talked about what this might represent. Then we talked about this cartoon, how the pillars of democracy kind of seem to be breaking. The politicians are maybe holding it up closer to an election. Then we talked about what democracy.
The word democracy comes from the Greek words of demos, which means people, and kratos, which means power or rule.
Okay, so democracy means power to the people. What was signed to say that even a king had to follow the rules and laws of the country? You should have had written in here the Magna Carta. And that is what we're going to be doing, learning about today. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of stream through this. So yesterday, or last time, I guess, you should have had a page that just had like democracy review with like just these questions and then the answers to them. Today, we're doing something very similar, which is where you are just writing in like what is the Magna Carta, and then writing in these questions. And then as you're watching the video, which I've just posted underneath of like where you see this picture, the video has all of these things within it. So who is King John? What did he do? Leave quite a bit of space for this. And then who is against King John? And what did they want? Leave a little bit of space for this one too. So these two need quite a bit of, like a bit more space. This one, literally one word. And then why is it important? So what is it a powerful symbol of? That's like one word. What rights does it provide to every free man? There's two things it does. So just like 2-word answer. This one, what is the snag of this? So the Magna Carta did provide certain rights to every free man, but what was like the bit of the problem? Like what was the thing that didn't quite work out so well? And then, dun, 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 what resulted? So what happened because of these like few problems? Then this is the most important. You can even put a star beside this. What was its most important legacy? So what did the Magna Carta leave for generations and generations, and still even now, this part of the Magna Carta is included within, they'll say in the video, it's included within the American Constitution and also the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms, which is and also like the Declaration of Human Rights, which is a global charter by the UN, the United Nations. So, and this is this is pretty cool stuff. So that's all you have to do for today. Just answer those like questions, like basically that's kind of it. And then tomorrow we will do like another little follow-up activity, which is going to be, I'll explain that tomorrow. Anyway, that's it. Okay, so sorry again, this is like late, and that little explanation hopefully helps with what the small task is today. Okay, see you at 2:00 for our last science Zoom.